Thank you, Ivan. Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here. Ivan, thank you for including me on what looks like a very esteemed list of change makers. It's good to be here. I guess, folks, I started my life in the mining game, and then probably in the early 2000s, we started an energy advisory company, advising large corporates, predominantly, well, some global ones, so News Corp, BHP, BlueScope. So we had all of the really heavy, intensive users of energy, plus a lot of the smaller ones, 7-Eleven and a couple of others. And we basically tethered together their footprints. So we started to gather their energy footprint, and we started to report on the footprints with a view to actually then working out what their handprint was. So the handprint being, I guess, their contained carbon, with a view to actually trading carbon. We set up a carbon capability and financial services license, and we were about to embark on this journey of carbon trading and all the rest. And that never eventuated because Australia never went down that path, or they started and then stopped. And as global leaders in some of the architecture around how to trade, cap and trade and do all of that there, they then fell off and stopped doing it. So we nevertheless were able to bring footprints together. We were able to shrink footprints, make people really aware of what was going on, and I guess that organisation was mine. I was part of it. We sold it. We were acquired, I guess, and my passion still sits there. Except I've decided I'm going to turn my hand towards the diagnostics and the leadership piece, and bolt the leadership piece on, and try and bring leadership to the attention of people, so that we could then augment this drive to actually do something for the globe. So that dimension of leading with the leaders, so that we can actually make this momentum happen. It's been vastly missed in the last little while. I think there's been a deficit of leadership, and I'm hoping we can make a difference. So thanks, Ivan. Appreciate the opportunity.